Oh, my stars, what a day.
You have new messages.
When did I get an answering machine?
Hey, Steve, how's it going? It's Roger over at Roger. Yeah, to follow up on your visit. Give me the captain can. No crash. Okay, well, man. Steve, Roger's Jim.
5 alarm fire occurring at the Sagebrush Springs Laboratory facility in Dalton County, Texas. Stay clear of the area. A chemical fire at the Sagebrush Springs Laboratory facility in Dalton County, Texas, is currently posing significant health effects to those within the warned area. For your safety, immediately discontinue all air conditioning usage, lock all doors and windows and seal off all vents. Do not travel outside unless it is absolutely necessary. If you experience nausea, dizziness, eye irritation, airway irritation, or difficulty breathing, seek immediate medical attention. If you experience more lethal symptoms, such as yellowing of the skin and possibly lethal bone rearrangement, call 911 immediately, as these symptoms are also possible. You should also call 911 if you experience these symptoms before the lethality level. You should also contact the Poison Control's hotline at 1-800-222-1222 if safe to do so. Remain tuned to local media outlets for more information.
My manager is freaking out about this deal I'm offering you. I can hold him off for a couple few. Call me. Steve! Steve-O! S-Man! Stefan Urkel! Even Steven! Steve it to Stever! Steven, pick up the fucking phone! Hi, calling for Steven Smith?